Coffee lovers, prepare to be amazed. The Coffee Belt is a breathtaking region that wraps around the equator. It spans 70 countries, including Colombia, Brazil, and Ethiopia. This is where the magic happens. Picture lush landscapes and rich soil, creating the perfect playground for coffee plants. But wait, did you know that those delicious coffee beans are actually seeds from bright red cherries? It's true. Each region offers a unique flavor profile. African beans burst with fruity notes, while South American varieties bring rich, chocolatey goodness. The diversity is astounding. Imagine the journey your morning cup takes. From the vibrant farms of the Coffee Belt to your kitchen, it's a remarkable adventure. Every sip tells a story of climate, altitude, and expert cultivation. So the next time you enjoy your coffee, think about its origins. What flavors are you tasting? If you want to dive deeper into the world of coffee or share your favorite brew, join the conversation below. Let's explore together and keep the coffee love flowing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting coffee tales.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.